Open Gemini app in your mobile. Now enter your prompt. What type of image you want to generate by Gemini. Here I am typing a prompt for image generation. Now tap on this forward button. Here you can see image is generated by Gemini, and this image is generated according to our prompt. You can check quality and clarity of this image by tapping on this image. If you want to share this image, click on share icon. Now you can choose any particular app to share. If you want to download this image, click on this download icon. Image is downloaded, click on open. Now you can check clarity of particular element. This image is generated by Imagen 4 model, and it's latest text to image generation model of Google.